Now that we've decided on the main idea, let's find the details from the article that best support or agree with the main idea. The first detail that I see is in the very first sentence. The monster storm in Boston has brought with it another monster, the Yeti. This detail tells us where the event took place and what else is happening at the time. The second detail is in the second paragraph. It says, the white furry phantoms have been getting laughs by walking through the Boston blizzard in their hairy suits. The laughs and the hairy suits clue me in that these are not real Yetis. And the third and final detail is the very last sentence. The Yeti's true identities had not yet been revealed. This tells me that some mysterious people are behind this funny prank. All of these details lead me back to our main idea that people in Boston dressed up as Yetis during a snowstorm.